Hi everybody, I'm Dave.
And I'm Brenda.
We are on our way to the future village of Cason Hammock. I've had a lot of people asking for an update on what's going on over there. And on our morning golf cart ride this morning over there, we noticed something very interesting that we wanted to update you on. So let's head on over there and check it out.
Let's go.
And for those of you who follow Gold Wingnut, Don Wiley's channel, he is about to put out his 100th video. He's going to have a get-together at 7 p.m. on Thursday,
October 14th
at Evans Prairie Country Club. It's open to everyone, so if you're in the area, come on out there, support Don as he puts out his 100th video. It's also going to be a fundraiser for brain cancer research, and we encourage everybody to come out and be supportive of Don. And congratulations, Don, on your 100th video. Hope to see you on Thursday. So last week on one of our rides, we noticed the tractor trailers that have these green what would you call it? Racks, yeah, on the back of them, and we recognized those green racks from over at Thai Villas, where they were doing the prefabricated construction of some of the villas over there. Well, today we found where they were headed. The next section, apparently, of the prefabricated villas have started over at Cason Hammock. So we're going to take the drone up, fly over that area, and just do a real quick flyover of Cason Hammock for an update. I think it's getting really close to where it's going to be open for homes to be sold. Not these villas. The villas just started. But there'll be a couple of homes, I think, coming pretty soon, because they've been working in there a couple of months. So we're going to do like we did last time. Brenda's going to be my spotter for the drone. And we're going to fly from the golf cart path that goes along the Southern Oaks golf course. That path does not have any closed signs, so there's people that go through there to check on the bridge, the Southern Oaks bridge construction. So that's where we're going to fly from and take a peek at what's going on. So we'll be there in just a second. We'll be popping right back on with the drone. See you in a minute. All right, lifting off. Couple of quick flight tests here. All right, luckily this area has very few people. Not many people come down this path. All right, Brenda, you got to keep eyes on it. We'll watch where we're headed. I'm going to do some manual flying again, like we did last time. I've made a couple of adjustments, so let us know if you enjoy being able to see us while we fly here. A little behind the scenes. I have the voice prompts turned down, so that won't be quite as annoying. Some people said it was a little bit loud. All right, so this area right here, this is what caught my attention. This is, see those green little trucks? That is what's bringing in the walls for the prefabricated sections of these villas. So you can see they haven't done many yet. They just started in this area. That huge crane, that's what they're using to put the walls in this area. So I'm guessing this will be just like Thai Villas. That whole section there, I think, is probably going to be the prefabricated walls. I don't know a lot about those. From the little bit I've heard, apparently they're pretty strong construction, but I don't claim to be an expert in any way, shape, or form. I know that inside the walls, some of them, I have some video where it appears like the lighting on the outside of the house is pre-wired. So some of the exterior lights actually have wires that are built into the walls ahead of time. Of course, the windows are pre-done. So it's pretty interesting to see how it's done. But all of the electrical is not pre-wired. I'm curious how the inside wiring is done on these homes. I'm guessing it's going to be like furring strips, and then they'll have sheetrock over the furring strips, and maybe the wires go behind that. But I actually don't know. I'm not an expert in it. But it is interesting that that's the next section they'll be doing. I'm sure they'll do many more. They built their own plant to build these walls. So I'm sure they didn't go through that much effort to just do 1 or 2 sections with this prefabricated stuff. So this, you can see we're a lot farther along than last time we looked at Cason Hammock. Get a little closer here. I wanted to check, see how close we may be to things being for sale. These homes right here are the very first ones that were done. And it looks like we have some grass. That's what I was kind of curious about, if the grass was in. So that's a little bit of an indication. Well, it's just a corner one there, and these other ones have grass. I see you're seeing it as I see it. We didn't pre-fly or pre-check this area. We're just trying to get some good information for you. So I think we still got a little ways to go. We don't have the grass and things down. Looks like things are painted. So I think it's still gonna be a few weeks before homes are for sale in here. But you can see almost, well, I won't say almost all of the lots, but throughout this village, there's homes under construction. They've done a lot of work. So by the time the first one in here is for sale, we'll bring ourselves up a little higher here so you can get a good overview. We'll go up to about 400 feet, just under 400. Again, you see those concrete pads? That's where the preforms villas are going to be done, sort of like Thai villas. And everywhere else, these homes are under construction. I'll swing around, and that is the entire area of Cason Hammock. Doesn't look like any of these homes along the golf course have started yet. I think those are going to probably be lots that will be sold. Don't think that those are going to be spec homes, or they would have started by now. They may stick a couple of them in there eventually, but I'd be watching for those lots to be on the market in the coming weeks, at least some of them. And I've also had somebody that's very interested in if there's any vinyl sided smaller villas. So I'm trying to poke around here. I haven't been able to drive in the neighborhood recently, and I'm not sure that I see any at the moment. Maybe that area right up in the upper center part of the screen, there's gonna be some villas there. So we'll just have to wait and see what comes available in that section. But I'll keep an eye out for you, that person that asked about the vinyl villas. All right, that's what I wanted to check on. While we're out here, I'll just kind of spin around. There you see the Southern Oaks Golf Course. Yeah, those are greening up pretty well. And right there is the bridge, the Southern Oaks Bridge. It's been kind of slow there. I haven't seen any construction there all day today, so not sure what's going on with that. I mean, it doesn't mean they've stopped, but today it doesn't look like a lot of activity on that bridge. And then, of course, on the other side, that is where the Continuing the Dream section will be, all along through there. All right, it was a quick update, but that's what's going on in Cason Hammock. And if you want, you can follow me back in here as we fly ourselves back home. All right. Land this better than last time y'all watched me do it. I tied down the landing pad this time. There we go, much better.
Very good. Good job.
All right, hope that was helpful. Do us a favor, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you guys out there that are subscribing, and ring the bell and it'll notify you the next time we explore the villages. See you next time.
Bye.